Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the AI text to image feature on Canva. So in case you guys didn't know, there is a new feature on Canva where you can create an image based on descriptions or based on the text that you write. So here I'm going to just open a design and create a blank design or a blank page. Okay, I'm going to click on a plus icon to add a new page, and I'm going to just a white background in here. So to be able to use the text to image feature, you need to click on the plus icon, the purple one here, and then go to apps, and in here scroll down until you find the create new section. Create something new, and there will be text to image feature. So just click on this feature, and after that just you can use just type the text or the description in here. For example, cat. Okay, so for example, like this, cat eating a fish at home, and here you can choose the style. You can choose filmic, watercolor, photo, dreamy, or retro anime. So I'm going to try with the retro anime. Then after that, you can select the aspect ratio here. I'm going to just select the square, and after that just click on create your image and just wait until Canva do its magic. Okay, so now the AI image here has been created, and you can see this is the image, and you can just select the image here and you can add it to your design. You can resize it, or you can also make it as a background. Just click on the photo, click on more, and then here set image as background like this. For example, I'm going to delete this one first, and just like that the photo or image will be created from your text. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.